Hello, my name is Jan Andrade, bachelor degree student, and in this video I want to talk to you about my personal improvement plan and how I've progressed during this English course. For this period, my goal was to improve my pronunciation, speak more confidently, and understand English better. To achieve this, I used tools such as the Chambred speaking platform. Suggest be my speaking teacher, YouTube videos, podcasts, and in practice in virtual speaking classes. All of this was part of my improvement plan and they helped my unlock. When I compare my level and the beginning with where I am now, I see great progress. And first, I struggled to speak English, but the videos I recorded and the activities with tutorial helped with lesson home. I can now read text aloud, understand audio better, and practice more confidently in English session. I also learning new vocabulary I was familiar with. For example, when we say words that are spelled the sound in Spanish, their pronunciation is different. I also learning how to use the do and that. And in read many tests in English to understand what reading was all about. I also learned about pronouns, modals, and verb tenses, topics, and confused my verb. And now I understand them more clearly thanks to the constant practice and dynamic activities my speaking session teacher led because I put and learning into practice. Thank you so much for the teaching you improving man during this period, teacher Yorman. See you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.